A recent clinical study showed that certain nutrients can increase circulating bone marrow stem cells by up to 68% in just 2 weeks. What if you could achieve similar results with simple snacks? Today, we're diving into Dr. William Li's top 5 foods for stem cell regeneration and longevity. From mushrooms to dark chocolate, these everyday items might just be the secret to a longer, healthier life. Speaking of dark chocolate, you might be surprised to learn that this indulgent treat isn't just a guilty pleasure. In fact, research has shown that dark chocolate can actually double the number of circulating stem cells in your bloodstream. That's right, your favorite dessert could be a powerful ally in your quest for cellular regeneration and longevity. But how does this work? The secret lies in the rich array of compounds found in cacao, particularly polyphenols like flavonols and procyanidins. These antioxidants play a crucial role in protecting your cells from damage caused by free radicals, which are known to contribute to aging and various diseases.
Studies have been done where if you take chocolate with high flavonols and make a hot chocolate out of it, and you drink it just twice a day, 2 cups a day, for 30 days, you can start by measuring your stem cells, and this is from 16 subjects, and you can make the stem cell levels go up.
One of the key players in this stem cell boost is epicatechin, a flavonoid found in abundance in cocoa. Studies suggest that epicatechin enhances the mobilization of stem cells from your bone marrow into your bloodstream, where they can then travel to areas of your body that need repair and regeneration. However, not all chocolate is created equal when it comes to these health benefits. To maximize the stem cell boosting potential, you'll want to reach for dark chocolate with a high cacao content, ideally between 70% and 80%. This ensures you're getting a hefty dose of those beneficial compounds without too much added sugar. Now, before you start stockpiling chocolate bars, it's important to note that moderation is key. While dark chocolate offers impressive health benefits, it's still calorie-dense. Aim for about 1 to 2 ounces a few times a week to reap the rewards without overindulging. Looking for creative ways to incorporate dark chocolate into your snack routine? Try these simple, delicious ideas. Dark chocolate-covered almonds. Simply dip whole almonds in melted dark chocolate and let them set on a baking sheet. These treats satisfy your sweet tooth while providing a protein boost. Dark chocolate avocado mousse. Blend ripe avocado with dark chocolate and a touch of honey for a rich, creamy snack that's packed with healthy fats and antioxidants. Dark chocolate banana bites. Slice bananas, dip them in melted dark chocolate, and freeze until solid. These frozen treats are perfect for hot days and offer a great mix of nutrients. Dark chocolate dipped orange slices. For a zesty twist, dip orange segments in melted dark chocolate and sprinkle with a pinch of sea salt. This combination of flavors is both refreshing and indulgent. We've just explored how dark chocolate can be a delicious ally in boosting stem cell production. But what if I told you that another unlikely food group could supercharge your cellular regeneration? Let's turn our attention to a fascinating kingdom that's neither plant nor animal: mushrooms. Mushrooms are truly unique in nature. They're not plants, they don't photosynthesize, and they have more in common with humans genetically than they do with vegetables. This peculiar status in the natural world hints at their extraordinary potential for human health.
All right, Dr. Li here. I am actually at the market, and I'm actually going to point out some mushrooms. Check it out. This is a whole group of different mushrooms here, and I want to actually pick out some and talk about them. So, first of all, what do mushrooms have in them? Mushrooms actually have beta-D-glucan, and beta-D-glucan is actually a soluble fiber that feeds your gut microbiome, so it improves gut health, which means that it actually improves your immunity and it actually lowers inflammation. The other thing that it can actually do is to help produce these short-chain fatty acids that help your lipids, so you can actually lower your cholesterol, bad cholesterol, and get better good cholesterol. Beta-D-glucan also in mushrooms actually also up your metabolism, and I write about that in my new book, Eat to Beat Your Diet, which I hope you'll read because it talks all about the clinical studies with mushrooms.
Recent research has unveiled the remarkable ability of certain mushroom compounds to stimulate stem cell production and enhance immune function. These fungal friends contain a treasure trove of bioactive substances, including polysaccharides and beta-glucans, which have been shown to promote the proliferation of stem cells and improve their regenerative capabilities. But how exactly do mushrooms work their magic on our stem cells? It turns out that the high antioxidant content in mushrooms creates an environment that's highly favorable for stem cell activity. By combating oxidative stress, a major culprit in stem cell dysfunction, mushrooms help maintain the health and vitality of these crucial cells.
Hey, Dr. Whitley here. I wanted to share with you a mushroom, a very special mushroom called a morel mushroom. Look at these beautiful mushrooms with a honeycomb pattern. They have great umami flavor. They're a great source of protein, dietary fiber, good for gut health, and they have a bunch of bioactives that can spark up your immune system.
One particularly interesting study found that bioactive compounds in mushrooms can enhance the activity of hematopoietic stem cells. These are the powerhouses responsible for forming new blood cells and supporting our immune response. By boosting these stem cells, mushrooms may help fortify our body's natural defense systems. The good news is that you don't need to forage in the forest to reap these benefits. Common varieties like button mushrooms, shiitake, and maitake all offer stem cell boosting properties. Even more exotic types like reishi have been researched for their potential in regenerative medicine, specifically for their ability to enhance stem cell activity and support tissue repair. Now, you might be wondering how to incorporate more mushrooms into your daily diet without resorting to bland salads or heavy stews. Here are some creative and delicious ways to enjoy these stem cell superchargers. Mushroom chips. Slice mushrooms thinly, toss them in a bit of olive oil, and season with salt and pepper. Bake until crispy for a savory, nutrient-packed alternative to potato chips. These make for a perfect on-the-go snack that's both satisfying and beneficial for your stem cells. Stuffed mushroom caps. For a more substantial snack, hollow out large mushrooms and fill them with a mixture of finely chopped vegetables, herbs, and a sprinkle of cheese. Bake until golden for a delicious bite-sized treat that's packed with stem cell-boosting goodness. Mushroom jerky. If you're feeling adventurous, try making mushroom jerky. Marinate sliced mushrooms in a blend of soy sauce, maple syrup, and your favorite spices, then dehydrate until chewy. This plant-based alternative to traditional jerky is not only tasty, but also provides a concentrated dose of those beneficial mushroom compounds. Mushroom pate crostini. For a more sophisticated snack, sauté mushrooms with onions and garlic, then blend into a smooth pate. Spread this rich, earthy mixture on whole-grain crostini for an elegant and nourishing bite that's perfect for entertaining or treating yourself. At this point, you might have extra questions about how to incorporate these powerful snacks into your daily meals. Don't worry, I've compiled even more tips on creating delicious and healthy stem cell boosting recipes in this free guide here. Click the link in my description box to download your 28-day Mediterranean meal plan. We've explored the surprising stem cell boosting properties of dark chocolate and mushrooms, but now let's turn our attention to a tiny berry that packs a powerful punch. Did you know that cranberries have one of the highest antioxidant contents among fruits? In fact, they contain more antioxidants per gram than 95% of other fruits and vegetables. These vibrant red berries are not just a Thanksgiving staple. They're a year-round superfood with remarkable potential for cellular regeneration. The secret lies in their rich array of antioxidants, particularly flavonoids, which play a crucial role in protecting stem cells from oxidative stress.
Tree nuts, walnuts, almonds, pistachios, dried cranberries. Those actually have great protein to give you energy on the hike, and they actually give you fiber for your microbiome.
Oxidative stress is a major culprit in stem cell dysfunction and aging. It occurs when there's an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants in your body. This is where cranberries shine. Their potent antioxidant properties create a protective shield around stem cells, allowing them to function optimally and maintain their regenerative capabilities. But the benefits of cranberries go beyond just antioxidant protection. Recent research has uncovered an intriguing connection between cranberry consumption and gene expression related to stem cell function. A study showed that cranberry extracts can influence specific genes involved in stem cell health and activity. This means that incorporating cranberries into your diet could potentially enhance your body's natural regenerative processes at a genetic level. Dr. William emphasizes the importance of these findings. These tiny berries pack a powerful punch when it comes to supporting our body's regenerative processes. His research suggests that the compounds found in cranberries could be a key player in maintaining stem cell health and promoting longevity. Now, you might be wondering how to incorporate more cranberries into your diet beyond the traditional sauce or juice. Here are some creative and delicious ways to enjoy the stem cell boosting benefits of cranberries. Cranberry nut clusters. Combine dried cranberries with a mix of your favorite nuts and a drizzle of dark chocolate. Refrigerate until set for a snack that's both sweet and tart, with a satisfying crunch. This combination not only tastes great, but also provides a variety of antioxidants from different sources. Cranberry apple slices. For a refreshing twist, layer thin apple slices with a homemade cranberry compote. Top with a sprinkle of cinnamon for added flavor and antioxidant power. This snack is not only delicious, but also offers a double dose of fruit-based nutrients. Cranberry quinoa bites. Mix cooked quinoa with dried cranberries, chopped nuts, and a touch of honey. Shape the mixture into bite-sized balls and bake until golden. These protein-rich bites are perfect for on-the-go snacking and provide a balanced mix of complex carbohydrates and antioxidants. Cranberry hummus dip. For a unique twist on a classic blend, cranberries with chickpeas, tahini, and a squeeze of lemon juice. The result is a tangy, nutrient-dense dip that pairs perfectly with veggie sticks or whole-grain crackers. Before we move on, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. If you find our videos helpful, please support us by dropping your comments in the comments section. We've explored the power of land-based superfoods, but now it's time to dive into the ocean's bounty. Imagine a nutrient so vital for your cells that it's like liquid gold for your body. That's exactly what omega-3 fatty acids are, essential building blocks for cellular health and longevity.
Know that seafood is one of those foods that are actually good for your health, lowers the risk of cardiovascular disease, and has healthy omega-3 fatty acids.
Omega-3s are unique in their ability to support stem cell function. These polyunsaturated fats play a crucial role in maintaining the integrity of cell membranes, which is fundamental for stem cell health. But their benefits don't stop there. Recent research has uncovered a fascinating connection between omega-3 and fats. According to a study from Stanford University, omega-3 fatty acids have a remarkable ability to regulate fat cell production. When these healthy fats bind to a specific receptor called FFAR4 on the cilia of fat stem cells, it triggers a chain reaction. This interaction prompts the stem cells to divide, creating more fat cells for energy storage. Now you might be thinking, wait, more fat cells, how is that good? Here's the key. It's not about the quantity of fat cells, but their quality. As one researcher put it, what you want is more small fat cells rather than fewer large fat cells. A large fat cell is not a healthy fat cell. This insight revolutionizes our understanding of fat tissue health. By promoting the creation of numerous smaller fat cells, omega-3s contribute to a healthier metabolic profile and improved overall well-being. So where can we find these cellular superheroes? The ocean is teeming with omega-3 rich seafood. Fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel are excellent sources. These fish accumulate omega-3s by consuming algae, making them concentrated sources of these beneficial fats. Incorporating these omega-3 powerhouses into your diet doesn't have to be a chore. Here are some delicious and easy ways to boost your intake. Salmon cucumber bites. For a refreshing snack, spread a thin layer of cream cheese on cucumber slices, top with smoked salmon, and sprinkle with dill. These bites are not only packed with omega-3s, but also provide a satisfying crunch. Sardine avocado toast. Don't knock it until you've tried it. Mash avocado on whole grain toast, top with sardine fillets, and finish with a squeeze of lemon juice. This combination delivers a double dose of healthy fats and a burst of flavor. Tuna stuffed bell peppers. Mix canned tuna with Greek yogurt, capers, and herbs, then stuff into halved bell peppers. This colorful snack is easy to prepare and offers a protein boost along with your omega-3s. Mackerel lettuce wraps. For a light yet nutritious option, wrap mackerel fillets in large lettuce leaves, add shredded carrots, and drizzle with a light vinaigrette. These wraps are a refreshing way to enjoy omega-3 rich seafood without the heaviness of bread. From the ocean's bounty of omega-3 rich seafood, we now turn our attention to a tiny fruit that's been making big waves in the health world. Blueberries, once relegated to the realm of muffins and pies, have emerged as a powerful ally in our quest for cellular rejuvenation and longevity.
Protects us from infection from the outside world, for example, but a really good immunity also protects us from cancer because our immune system conducts surveillance throughout our body and looks for abnormal cells like cancer cells and wipes them right out.
These small, unassuming berries have a rich history in North American culture, prized by indigenous peoples for their nutritional and medicinal properties. But it wasn't until the late 20th century that scientists began to uncover the true extent of their health benefits. As research progressed, blueberries quickly earned their place in the pantheon of superfoods, with their popularity skyrocketing in health-conscious circles. What sets blueberries apart is their unique blend of antioxidants, particularly a group called anthocyanins. These compounds give blueberries their distinctive blue color and are responsible for many of their health-promoting effects. When it comes to stem cell health, these antioxidants play a crucial role in protecting these vital cells from oxidative stress, a major factor in cellular aging and dysfunction.
So this actually shows that actually eating blueberry is good for lowering inflammation, raising immunity, good for metabolism, shrinking waistline, losing some weight.
But the benefits of blueberries go beyond just protection. Recent research has uncovered a fascinating ability of blueberry extracts to actually rescue aging stem cells and restore their functionality. A study published in the journal Oxidative Medicine and Cellular Longevity found that blueberry extracts could stimulate the proliferation of human adult bone marrow stem cells. This means that consuming blueberries might not only protect your existing stem cells, but also encourage the production of new ones. Moreover, blueberries have been shown to favorably alter gene expression related to stem cell function. This suggests that these tiny berries could influence our cellular health at the most fundamental level, potentially slowing down the aging process and enhancing our body's natural regenerative capabilities. Now, you might be wondering how to incorporate more blueberries into your diet beyond the occasional handful. Here are some creative and delicious ways to enjoy these cellular rejuvenators. Blueberry Almond Energy Bars. Blend dried blueberries with almonds, dates, and a touch of honey, then press into a pan and refrigerate until firm. Cut into bars for a sweet and tangy snack that fuels your day. These bars are not only delicious, but also provide a sustained energy boost, making them perfect for a mid-morning or afternoon pick-me-up. Blueberry Chia Pudding. Mix chia seeds with almond milk and a handful of fresh blueberries, then refrigerate overnight. This creamy pudding is a nutritious and satisfying snack, perfect for a midday treat. The combination of chia seeds and blueberries creates a powerhouse of antioxidants and omega-3 fatty acids, supporting both brain and cellular health. Frozen yogurt blueberry bites. Dip fresh blueberries in Greek yogurt, place them on a baking sheet, and freeze until solid. These cool, bite-sized snacks are perfect for a hot day and are full of antioxidants. They're also a great way to satisfy sweet cravings without resorting to less healthy options. Blueberry Oat Crumble Cups. Layer fresh blueberries with a mixture of oats, almond flour, and a touch of maple syrup in muffin tins, then bake until golden. These mini crumbles are a delicious and healthy snack that feels like an indulgent dessert. The oats provide fiber and sustained energy, while the blueberries deliver their cellular boosting benefits.